Welcome to this guided meditation for cleansing, balancing, and strengthening your throat chakra, your center of truth, expression, and authentic voice. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, relax your shoulders, gently rest your hands on your lap. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long, releasing breath out. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold and exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale deep and exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, and more open. Now bring your attention to the base of your throat, right at the center of your neck. Imagine a gentle spinning wheel of soft blue light there. This is your throat chakra, the center where your truth flows, where your words carry energy, and where your soul's voice lives. With your breath, imagine a stream of clear blue water flowing through your throat chakra. It washes away all heaviness, all blockages, all fears of speaking your truth. Every doubt, every withheld word, every heavy memories dissolves into the flowing stream and disappears. Every moment where you were forced to be dishonest, every moment where you had to lie, is dissolving into the flowing stream and disappearing. Breathe and let this chakra feel lighter, cleaner, and freer. Now see your throat chakra as a bright spinning sphere of turquoise blue light. It is balanced, harmonious, and steady. It's not too fast, not too slow. Just glowing beautifully like a calm blue flame. With each inhale, it brightens, and with each exhale, it becomes more stable, more balanced. Repeat silently or aloud. My truth flows with ease. My voice is strong, clear, and kind. I listen and I express with balance. I stand my truth. I am honest. Now imagine a pillar of radiant blue light descending from the sky into your throat. It enters, fills, and strengthens this chakra. It seals and empowers it. This light builds a shield of truth and protection around your words, so that whenever you speak, your voice carries clarity, confidence, and compassion. Feel your throat chakra becoming resilient, strong, and unshakable. Repeat, I honor my truth. I speak with love. My words create healing and harmony. Allow this energy to spread gently from your throat to your entire body. You feel lighter, clearer, and more aligned. Every part of you is now in harmony with your true voice. Take a deep breath in, hold, and exhale slowly. Gently bring awareness back to your surroundings. Carrying this energy of truth and strength with you. You are free. You are strong. You are heard. When you are ready, open your eyes slowly.